Welcome back everyone. Today we are going to start a new chapter and this chapter's name is Playing with Numbers. In this chapter we are going to today learn about a subtopic which is named the BODMAS Rule. So let's start with the lesson. DMAS Rule. What is the DMAS Rule and what do you mean by it? And how can we follow the DMAS Rule? The order in a mathematical expression are performed in the following order. D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction, which is also called the DMAS. According to the DMAS rule, when simplifying a mathematical expression with more than one operation, we will follow the DMAS rule. If any operation is missing, we should skip the operation. Now we will learn more about the DMAS rule by one example. 30 plus 6 into 8 minus 15 divided by 3. First, we will do the division as D stands for division and it is the first. So that will simplify the expression to 30 plus 6 into 8 minus 5. Then we will do the multiplication as M stands for multiplication and it is second in the rule. So that will simplify the expression to 30 plus 48 minus 5. Then we will do addition because A stands for addition and it is in the third in the rule. That will simplify the mathematical expression to 78 minus 5. And finally, to get the final answer, we will do subtraction. Subtraction stands for S, which is last in the rule. And that simplifies the answer to 73. Now, we will learn about the OF operation, which makes the rule ODMAS. To find the expressions of 9 of 10 and 1 by 2 or 16, we will solve it as 9 of 10 into 9 into 10 and 1 by 2 of 16 into 1 by 2 into 16. So, OF is actually multiplication. If a mathematical expression has OF operation, so the OF operation will be performed first, before the division, multiplication, addition, and then subtraction. Hence, the rule DMAS can be extended to ODMAS, where OF is O. Now we will learn more about the ODMAS rule with an example. 800 minus 5 of 5 into 20 plus 10. First, we will do the OF operation, which stands for A, O, and it is first in the rule. So that simplifies the expression to 800 minus 25 into 20 plus 10. Then we will do multiplication. But in this, if you guys are thinking, why are we doing division? Because there is no division in this mathematical expression. So we just skip D for division and we will do M for multiplication. So that will simplify the mathematical expression to 800 minus 500 plus 10. And then we will do addition, which stands for A and is third in the rule. So 800 plus 10 is equal to 810. Then we will do subtraction, which is 810 minus 500 is equal to 310, as S stands for subtraction and it is last in the rule. If you guys now are wondering, why did we add 10 to 800? But in the expression, it is written to add 500 to 10. In this expression, we added 10 to 800 because 800 and 10, they both are a positive number, whereas 500 is a negative number. Now we will learn about brackets, the BODMAS rule. Brackets are used to provide clarity in the order of operations, the order in which several different operations should be done in a mathematical expression. If a mathematical expression has brackets, so the brackets will be performed first. Now, if you guys are thinking, in the ODMAS rule, you said that off should be performed first, and now in the BODMAS rule, you're saying B should be performed first. So let me explain to you guys. First will be the brackets, which stands for B. Then will be the off, which stands for O. Then will be the DMAS rule, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Hence, the ODMAS rule can be extended to BODMAS, where brackets is B. Now we will learn more about the BODMAS rule by one example. 12 of 2 minus, in brackets, 6 plus 4. First, we will do the brackets, as it stands for B and it is first in the rule. So that simplifies the expression into 12 of 2 minus 10. Then we will do off, which stands for O and is second in the operation. So that will simplify the mathematical expression 24 minus 10. Then we will not do division, multiplication and addition, DMA, because it is not present in the mathematical expression. So we will skip DMA and directly do S, which stands for subtraction. So 24 minus 10 is equal to 14. So 14 is the answer of this mathematical expression. Now we will learn about the types of brackets. There are actually 4 types of brackets. These brackets are the dash brackets, which are known as the bar, line brackets, or the wing column. The small bracket, the round brackets, which are known as small brackets, round brackets, simple brackets, and are used for parentheses. The curly brackets, which are known as the curly brackets or the braces. And finally, the square brackets, which are known as the square brackets, the big bracket, or also known as the box brackets. Now we will learn the rules of simplification involving brackets. This means we will learn how we can use the brackets in real life and how does it help us. So, number 1 is that we should always perform multiplication when there is no sign between a number and brackets. For example, 3, there is no sign, so we will, and then it is brackets 4 plus 5. So we will convert it into 3 into 9, which is equal to 27. Number 2, we will simply remove the sign plus if there's a plus sign before the bracket. For example, 13 plus 4 in brackets 4 plus 5, we will simplify it to 13 plus in brackets plus 9, which is equal to 13 plus 9, which is equal to 22. The third and the final one. If there is a minus sign before the brackets, we have to reverse all the signs inside the bracket while also removing the minus sign. For example, 13 minus in brackets 4 plus 5, which equals to 13 minus in brackets plus 9, and plus 9 is equal to 9 only. So then we will simplify that to 13 minus 9, and 13 minus 9 is equal to 4. Now we will learn more about the types of brackets by our final example. 90 divided by square brackets 58 minus in curly brackets 9 plus in round brackets 11 minus 2 plus 30 divided by 3, and all brackets close. First, we will do the subtraction inside the line bracket, which is 11 minus 2, which equals to 9. So that will simplify the mathematical expression to 90 divided by in square brackets 58 minus in curly brackets 9 plus in round brackets 9 plus 30 divided by 3, when all brackets close. Then we will do the division inside the small bracket. So that will simplify the mathematical expression to 90 divided by square brackets 58 minus in curly brackets 9 plus in round brackets 9 plus 10. Then we will do the addition inside the small bracket. So that will simplify the mathematical expression to 90 divided by in square brackets 58 minus in curly brackets 9 plus in round brackets plus 19, and plus 19 is equal to 19 only. And then we will remove the small bracket. So that will simplify the mathematical expression to 90 divided by in square brackets 58 minus in curly brackets 9 plus 19. If you're wondering why we removed the small bracket, it is because there was no more operations inside the small brackets. So we will remove them. Then we will do the addition inside the curly bracket, which is 9 plus 19, which equals to 28. So that will simplify the mathematical expression to 90 divided by in square brackets 58 minus in curly brackets plus 28. Now we will remove the curly bracket and make 28 a negative number. We make 28 a negative number because there was a minus sign for the curly bracket. And we also learned this rule a few minutes before in the rules of simplification involving brackets. That will simplify the mathematical expression to 90 divided by in square brackets 58 minus 28. Then we will do the subtraction in the big brackets, which is 58 minus 28, which is 30, and then we will remove the big brackets. And that will simplify the mathematical expression to 90 divided by 30. And we all know what 90 divided by 30 is, right? 90 divided by 30 is 3. So, what did we learn today? Today we learned about the BODMAS Rule, the DMAS Rule, and ODMAS Rule. But you all guys have to know that the ODMAS Rule, DMAS Rule, they're all part of the BODMAS Rule. And then we learned about the types of brackets and the rules of simplification involving the brackets. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe, and hit on the notification bell to get more notifications when I upload more videos. Thank you and have a nice day.